In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can single tap to lock your iPhone screen. If you don't want to manually lock your screen with the side power button, or it has issues, you can simply lock your iPhone with just one tap on your screen. To do this, simply head to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, head to the option of accessibility. Select on touch. Tap onto this first option of assistive touch. Make sure to enable this option on. In the section of custom actions, select on single tap. You will then mark on lock screen. When enabled, you will just need to tap on this floating button to always lock your iPhone. Whenever you single tap on it, your iPhone screen will automatically get locked. This basically helps when you have issues with your power button. That's how easy it is to lock your iPhone with just a single tap on your screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.